How to repeat YouTube videos automatically. Hello guys, this is Atticus back with another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can repeat YouTube videos automatically. Now, let's get started. First, open up your YouTube. After you open your YouTube, just find a video that you want to play on repeat. Now, you can either choose a song or anything you want. So just choose whatever you want and open it. After you do that, you'll need to add it to your playlist. So tap on save right here. After you tap on save, tap on change and create a playlist. Now I'll just name this replay and tap on done. So it has been added to my playlist now. So I'll just go to my library and there you will see replay playlist. Now open it up and now tap on play all. So after you tap on play all, what you will need to do is you'll need to tap on this icon that says repeat. Now after you tap on repeat, you are good to go, and here if you can tap here, tap on loop right here and you're good to go. So this is basically how you repeat YouTube videos automatically, and that is all for this video too. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.